Top 10 Fastest Fish in the World. Fish are not only the most common denizens of the sea, but also the fastest. They have had a role in culture through the ages, serving as deities and religious symbols, as well as the subject of art works, books and movies. With 31,500 species so far identified, fish display more species diversity than any other class of vertebrates. Here is the countdown of the top 10 fastest fishes in the world. But before getting started, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos. 10. Tarpon. Average speed, 35 miles per hour. Tarpon populate a wide variety of habitats subject only to the suitability of the water temperature. Rapid decreases in temperature have been known to lead to large decimation of the fish in an area. During such temperature drops, tarpon usually take refuge in warmer, deeper waters. They are strictly carnivorous and swallow their food whole. Tarpon are considered one of the great saltwater game fishes. They are prized not only because of their great size but also because of the fight that they put up and their spectacular leaping ability. Tarpon are bony fish and their meat is not tasty, so most of them are released after being caught. Though tarpon usually spook easily and show extreme wariness when around humans, they do occasionally cause injuries, although this is considered accidental, not deliberate. To avoid such a situation, one should not attempt to bring a freshly caught tarpon into a boat when it still retains its vigor. 9. Four-winged flying fish. Average speed, 35 miles per hour. This is sometimes called the blue and silver Atlantic flying fish, and it is found in all of the oceans, particularly in warm tropical and subtropical waters. It is a species of flying fish having both pectoral and pelvic fins enlarged. Their streamlined torpedo shape helps them gather enough underwater speed to break the surface. Their special pectoral fins enable the fish to hide and escape from predators by leaping out of the water, taking short gliding flights just above the water's surface. They are attracted to light, and fishermen take advantage of this with substantial results. There is currently no protection status on these animals. 8. Swordfish. Average speed, 40 miles per hour. The swordfish is named after its sharp beak resembling a sword, which, together with its streamlined physique, allows it to cut through the water with great ease and agility. Swordfish are also known as broadbill in some countries. They are popular sports fish, often living close to shore. However, the population is declining. Swordfish do not congregate in schools. Solitary males and females appear to pair up during the spawning season. They have been known to eat their own young due to lack of nutrition. Swordfish lose all their teeth and scales by adulthood. Like most fish, the females grow larger than the males. Swordfish feed daily, most often at night when they rise to surface in search of smaller fish. Swordfish are vigorous, powerful fighters. The adults have few natural enemies, with the exception of large sharks and sperm whales. 7. Bonefish. Average speed, 40 miles per hour. Bonefish are named for their many fine bones. English common names include banana fish, Indo-Pacific bonefish, ladyfish, etc. They are silvery in color with dusky fins and can be found in warm seas worldwide. Bonefish reach sexual maturity between 3 and 4 years of age, at which point they are typically between 17 and 19 inches in length. Bonefish may live more than 19 years. They typically gather in schools of up to 100, all traveling at the same speed and maintaining a constant distance from each other. Sharks and barracuda often prey on bonefish. So, they are built for speed, as this is their only defense. Live shrimp and crabs are some of the most effective baits for this species. Although they are considered the important game fish, the flesh is bony and not commonly eaten. 6. Blue shark. Average speed, 43 miles per hour. The great blue sharks are the most widely distributed mammals in the world. They inhabit deep waters in temperate and tropical oceans. They are believed to live for more than 20 years. Although generally lethargic, they can move very quickly. Small bony fishes, as well as squid, make up most of their diet. Additionally, they are opportunistic feeders and have been known to feed from gill nets and scavenge dead marine life. They often gather in schools segregated by sex and size, which has led to their nickname, wolves of the sea. Great blue sharks are the most heavily fished sharks. About 10 to 20 million individuals are killed each year. Blue sharks are not considered an aggressive species and rarely attack humans. 5. Bluefin tuna average speed, 44 miles per hour. Bluefin tuna are found throughout the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans in subtropical and temperate waters. They form schools while young. Large schools are easily observed at night. The bluefin is one of the largest tuna species. Killer whales and pilot whales feed on them most often. The bluefin is highly valued as a food for human consumption, sold both fresh or frozen. Quality fish are especially favored in Japan, where they are sold at the high price in fish markets. The bluefin tuna is also a popular game fish, especially in the USA. 4. Tunny average speed, 46 miles per hour. Tunny is found worldwide in tropical to temperate waters. It has a sturdy body built for powerful swimming and may live to 10 years of age. Tunny is an opportunistic predator, feeding on other fish and squid. It is considered an excellent game fish due to its hard fighting ability once hooked. It is frequently used as bait for shark and marlin fishing, primarily due to its high oil content. 3. Wahoo average speed, 48 miles per hour. The wahoo, distributed worldwide in tropical and subtropical waters, has been recorded swimming at speeds of up to 46.5 miles per hour in short bursts, allowing quick capture of prey. This speed and fighting ability makes them a great challenge in sports fishing circles. Their growth can be rapid and live up to or more than 5 to 6 years of age. Their diet is made up of other pelagic fishes, as well as squid. The flesh of the wahoo is white and delicate. Although very favorable for human consumption, little fish tends to be caught for this purpose. 2. Marlin average speed, 50 miles per hour. Marlin's common name is thought to derive from its resemblance to a sailor's marlinspike. Marlin are incredibly fast swimmers, reaching speeds of about 68 miles per hour. Predators include the white shark and shortfin mako. Marlin are rarely table fare, appearing mostly only in fine gourmet restaurants. The fisherman in Ernest Hemingway's novel The Old Man and the Sea was described as having caught an 18-foot marlin. 1. Sailfish average speed, 68 miles per hour. Sailfish is the fastest marine animal found in warmer parts of 5 oceans of the world. There are 2 species of fish and both grow quickly, reaching 4 to 5 feet in length in a single year. Their color varies from dark blue on top, brownish on the side and silvery underneath. Also on sides of the body there are about 20 bars made up of bright blue spots. Notable characteristics of sailfish are an erectile dorsal fin known as a sail and the elongated bill. It feeds on schoolfish such as sardines, anchovies and mackerel. If you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. And stay with us for more updates. Thanks for watching.